Hi guys, I am Vignesh Ganesan from Kalari.in e-learning platform. Now we are going to learn by using of 7 different steps to model the exact components. Step number 1. Choose a proper plane. Select a top plane and create new sketch. Draw a circular profile. That is a two different circular profile from the center point. The first profile, next is the second profile. Then mention with the diameter value of 50 mm outer diameter and 27 mm inner diameter. So mention with these values. Choose the smart dimensions and fix this profile 50 mm outer diameter, then 27 mm inner diameter. Exit the sketch right away and form a solid body with the dimensional distance of overall 45.5 mm. This is step number 1. The first initial body is created. Next, choose a front plane and draw another circular profile. By selecting of this front plane, I am going to draw another circular profile. The dimensions for the circle is 27 mm. So it is nothing but 13.5 plus 13.5. You get 27 mm of a diameter value. Then fix this vertically with this origin point. Then fix it tangentially at the top of its positions. Exit the sketch and choose an extruder boson again. Initiate offset from the type. They mention the offset distance, that is overall less than 59 mm. Half of the value, 59 divided by 2. Get the half of the value. Then change its directions. And what is this dimensional steps up to next? The new solid body is created. Using a hole wizard, choose the positions types and fix at the center of its positions now. Step number 2 and step number 3. That is creating a new solid body by using of an extruder boss and using a hole wizard to form a pocket under this distance. Okay, once it is created, now the fourth step is nothing but create a new same kind of a body. Instead of choosing and creating a plane, drawing another same kind of a profiles to create a body using and move and copy bodies. What is the dimensional distance from the center of its positions in the x-axis? Look at it, from the center to center distance of the solid body is 110 mm. Then change its directions, that is the reverse directions. Then the height is nothing but overall height is 107. Just to reduce the value of 107 minus 45.5. So mentioned with this value, you get the total height 107 minus 45.5. Get the total height now. This is step number 4. The overall height is 107. Now choose a front plane, that is we are going to initiate the another step. Choose a front plane and draw a profiles exactly relate to this solid part. Fix this relate to this origin using a vertical constraints. This is step number 5. Then fix this another point. First, choose this point and fix this exact related to the quadrant area. Draw a vertical line. Now, then fix this with this dimensions values. What is this dimensions? From the top of which the dimensions value is 2 mm, that is an offset distance. If you are not able to select the exact edge line, choose both the top edges and use and convert entities, then transfer into a construction line. Now using a smart dimensions to fix this profile under the horizontal dimensions value of 2 mm from the bottom one, then 5 mm in this opposite portions. Okay, once we fix this enough profile, now using an offset entities to offset the same kind of profiles at this opposite directions. So choose an offset entities, then fix this profile with this a distance of 6 mm. Now draw a vertical line, two opposite vertical line connecting these closed points, open points and make it into a closed one. Now choose an extruder boss using a midplane, then initiate a value of 50 mm equally. A new solid part is created. Now draw using a sixth step, that is choose a front plane again, draw a open profile. Now I am going to use an rib features to create a solid part next to this opposite one. Choose a rib features now. Initiating a search command, type a rib, selecting it up to this opposite portions, create a solid body. Now mention the value of 6 mm because the thickness is nothing but 6 mm of these positions. So mention 6 mm now. Okay, now the new solid part is created. Now the last step. Using a converted it is by selecting a two opposite circular edges. Now using this converted it is to create a pocket. Create a new sketch, then use an extruded cut through wall category to form a cut portions. This is the entire body we just covered by using of 7 different steps. Instead of using 11 steps, I covered it within a 7 steps to minimize this specifications tree area. This is what the actual solid part may look like. Okay, overall we done that. If you want to learn a full course to know how to model the complex shaped parts with the examples to learn from basics to advanced level, log on to www.kalleri.in.